What's the meaning of cold storage? Cold storage. Cold storage.
Cold storage. Cold storage. Cold storage refers to a process of storing digital assets, such as cryptocurrency or data, offline in a secure and isolated environment. This is typically done for security reasons, as it minimizes the risk of hacking or theft. Cold storage can be achieved through storing the assets on a USB drive, hardware wallet, or paper wallet that is not connected to the internet. This method provides an added layer of protection compared to hot storage, which involves storing assets online or on a device connected to the internet.